Voting is ready to happen in 49 Lok Sabha areas across 6 states and 2 union territories during the fifth phase of the current general election on May 20th. Many important candidates will be competing in the fifth round of voting in Uttar Pradesh on May 20th. People will vote on 14 Lok Sabha seats, including areas like Mohanlalganj, Lucknow, Rai Bareli, Amethi, and others. Out of these 14 Lok Sabha seats, let's have a look on 10 key constituencies from Uttar Pradesh and their contestants. There's an interesting contest in Rai Bareli as Rahul Gandhi enters this stronghold of the Gandhi family for the first time. He will be facing BJP's Dinesh Pratap Singh. In 2019, Sonia Gandhi won here, defeating Singh by over 1.67 lakh votes. Smriti Irani seeks re-election in Amethi against Congress Kishori Lal Sharma after defeating Rahul Gandhi in 2019 by over 55,000 votes. Rajnath Singh, the Union Defence Minister, wants to win again from Lucknow for the third time. With strong party support, he is in a secure position, especially as his opponents from the Samajwadi Party, Ravidas Mehrotra, and BSP representative Sarwar Malik are seen as less competitive. Another important seat up for election in fifth phase is Kesarganj. Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, the current MP and former president of the Wrestling Federation of India, hasn't been given a ticket this time. Instead, his son Karan Bhushan Singh is running for the seat. Karan is competing against Bhagat Ram Mishra from the SP and Narendra Pandey from the BSP. In Jhansi, former Union Minister Pradeep Jain Aditya is running for Congress, while the current MP Anurag Sharma from BJP is contesting against him. The BSP candidate Ravi Prakash Maurya is a local student leader. Union Minister Kaushal Kishore is aiming for a third time in Mohanlalganj Lok Sabha area. He is up against strong contenders like former UP Minister R.K. Chaudhary from the SP and Rajesh Kumar from the BSP. In Banda, current BJP MP R.K. Singh Patel is running for re-election. His challengers include Krishna Devi Patel from the Samajwadi Party and Mayank Dwivedi from the BSP, who is the son of late BSP leader Purushottam Naresh Dwivedi. In the Kaushambi Lok Sabha constituency, the incumbent BJP MP Vinod Sonkar is running for a third term. He will face the competition from Pushpinder Saroj, a 25-year-old candidate representing the Samajwadi Party. Pushpinder is the son of SP leader Inderjeet Saroj. In Hamirpur, the incumbent BJP MP Pushpinder Singh Chandel is aiming for his third consecutive term and is facing competition from Ajinder Singh Rajput of the Samajwadi Party. In Fatehpur, Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti, the current BJP MP and Union Minister, is running for her third term. She will be facing competition from Naresh Uttam Patel, the former Samajwadi Party state chief.